For a farmer, every year is a search for more. From every field, every acre, every inch, the more you control, the more you control profit. At Kinze, we're putting more control in your hands. Introducing Kinze Electronics, a dedicated group of the best and brightest minds in the industry. Its mission: to bring game-changing innovations to life. A cutting-edge R&D facility of industrial ingenuity, turning ideas into groundbreaking technology. Making today's equipment work smarter for unparalleled performance in your fields. Meticulous collaboration here leads to seamless collaboration from tractor cab to planter for more productivity and profitability. The new Kinze electric drive system allows for instant population rate changes and consistent seed spacing across every row during turns. The rugged new Kinze Blue Vantage monitor is an intuitive in-cab touchpad that serves as your eyes and ears on the ground. Advanced control systems working together as one, instinctively, to maximize seed placement, population accuracy, and planting depth, to overcome every possible obstacle you face. Every system, every component, every line of code created right here, never outsourced, building on the Kinze legacy of emerging and growing excellence. Kinze. Precision is personal to us because every acre is personal to you.